In the bright kingdom of Avalor, Elena woke up to sunshine pouring through her window. But today felt different. Elena reached for her crown, and her eyes widened in surprise. It was frozen solid. The beautiful jewels and gold glittered beneath a thick layer of ice. Who could have done this? Elena wondered aloud. She tried to melt the ice with sunlight, but it wouldn't budge. She knew there was only one person who could help her now, Queen Elsa of Arendelle, known for her magical ice powers. Elena quickly packed her bag and rode her horse towards Arendelle. She traveled through forests, crossed rivers, and climbed mountains. Finally, Elena saw the tall castle shining in the snowy sunlight. At the castle gates, Elsa welcomed Elena warmly. "Elena, it's wonderful to see you, but what brings you so far from Avalor?" Elsa asked, noticing Elena's worried face. Elena showed Elsa the frozen crown. "Someone froze my crown with magic, Elsa. I'm worried they want to take over Avalor. Can you help me find who did it?" Elsa touched the crown carefully. She felt its coldness and sensed powerful magic. "I promise I'll help you, Elena," Elsa replied firmly. They began their search by heading to the library, where old books held secrets about magical spells. As Elsa and Elena read through ancient books, Olaf peeked inside. "What are you doing?" "Can I help?" the friendly snowman asked, bouncing excitedly. Elsa smiled. "Of course, Olaf. We're looking for clues about powerful magic." Suddenly, Olaf pointed at a dusty page. "Look at this. It says that freezing spells this strong can only come from the frost crystal hidden deep in the Ice Caverns," he announced proudly. "Then that's where we must go," said Elena bravely. The three friends quickly set off toward the Ice Caverns, guided by Elsa's magical ice trail. The Ice Caverns were sparkling and beautiful, but also dangerous. Giant icicles hung overhead, and the ground was slippery. Elsa created safe paths with her magic, helping Elena and Olaf walk safely. Deep inside the cave, they found the frost crystal glowing brightly. Suddenly, a mysterious voice echoed around them. "Why have you come here?" Out stepped a sorcerer named Valerio. "I've frozen your crown, Elena. Soon, I'll control Avalor and your magical kingdom will be mine," he laughed wickedly. "We won't let you," Elsa shouted bravely, forming a protective ice shield. Elena drew her sword, ready to defend her home. Olaf even bravely stood between his friends and Valerio. Valerio waved his wand, sending shards of ice flying towards them. Elsa quickly blocked them with her ice magic. The cave filled with bright, flashing lights as their powers clashed. "Elsa, distract him," Elena whispered. "I have a plan." Elsa nodded and made huge walls of ice to confuse Valerio. Meanwhile, Elena quietly approached the frost crystal. Elena reached out and touched the crystal. It felt cold, yet filled her with strength. She held it tightly and shouted, "This magic belongs to the good people of Avalor, not you." The crystal began glowing brighter and brighter. Valerio screamed as its powerful light chased him away, breaking his spell and melting the ice. With Valerio gone, the cave felt peaceful again. Elena looked at Elsa gratefully. "Thank you for helping me, Elsa. You saved Avalor." Elsa smiled warmly. "We saved it together, Elena. Friendship and bravery are more powerful than any magic." They carefully took the frost crystal back to Arendelle, keeping it safe inside Elsa's castle. Elena's crown was shining brightly again, its magic fully restored. Before Elena returned to Avalor, the people of Arendelle held a great feast. There was music, dancing, and plenty of laughter. Olaf entertained everyone with his funny jokes. The next morning, Elsa hugged Elena goodbye. "Visit us again soon, Elena. Arendelle is always here for you," Elsa said warmly. Elena smiled, feeling happy and grateful. "And Avalor welcomes you any time, Elsa. Our kingdoms are forever friends." As Elena traveled back home, she felt stronger and wiser. She learned that even powerful magic could not defeat true friendship. Back in Avalor, everyone cheered as Elena arrived, her crown sparkling brighter than ever. She told her family and friends about Elsa's bravery and Olaf's kindness. Days later, Elena wrote a letter to Elsa. Our adventure taught me that friendship, courage, and kindness always win. Elsa replied quickly, her letter filled with joy. You're right, Elena. Friendship is the greatest magic of all. From that day on, Elena and Elsa's kingdom stayed closely connected. They visited often, sharing adventures, stories, and laughter. The Frozen Crown adventure became a favorite tale in both Avalor and Arendelle, reminding everyone of the importance of bravery and friendship. And so, Elena and Elsa knew their bond was stronger than magic. Together, they faced every challenge, confident that their friendship could overcome anything.